Thank you very much, Honourable Speaker Say, and thank you very much, Honourable Dinesh, for this question. Mr. Speaker Say, I think the member for this question, the government together with the Fiji Sugar Corporation continues to implement long-term sustainable measures to improve the logistics of transporting sugarcane to our mills. Efficient cane transport is essential for maintaining cane quality and reducing delays and ensuring timely crushing. Mr. Speaker, today over 90% of our cane is transported to the mills by road. With the increased use of mechanical harvesters and the gradual shift away from rail, there is now greater demand for upgrading infield roads and the rural infrastructure. Because of this, Mr. Speaker, the government has significantly strengthened the cane access road program. Between 2012-2024-25 season, a total of $43 million has been invested in upgrading and maintaining of cane access roads. For 2025-2026, government is seeing the need for a better maintenance and has increased allocation to $3.9 million. The works include the maintenance and construction of crossings, installation of culverts, and replacement of cordary log crossings. These long-term upgrades are critical for improving access for trucks and machinery. Mr. Speaker, over the last 2 years alone, 35 crossings have been repaired, upgraded, or newly constructed across the Lotoka, Rarawai, and Lambasa mill areas. In addition, 1,351 growers, Mr. Speaker, has been assisted with culverts under a 100% government grant program to improve farm access and replace unsafe log crossings. This has allowed more growers to transport the cane reliably to the mill. While most of the growers now rely on the road transport, some still depend on the railway system, particularly where the labor shortages limit their ability to harvest manually. To support these growers, Mr. Speaker, 44 new cage beans were fabricated at a cost of $1 billion under the 2023-2024 program. These beans are now used in Lotoka and Lambasa mill areas to transport billet cane. FSC continues its annual maintenance of rolling stock and railway infrastructure to keep the railway system operational where it's needed. Mr. Speaker, while FSC continues to strengthen the efficiency and the commercial operation of cane logistics, we as government responsible must also ensure that no group of growers is left behind, especially those for whom rail transport is only the viable option due to the challenging topography of the land. This year, despite the Losam-Malele loop being deemed economically unviable and subsequently closed, the government made a decision to reopen the loop to ensure that the 88 growers in the upper Davata, Rakawindi, and Malele were not disadvantaged and could deliver the cane without disruption. This intervention cost the government $454,000, but it ensured the fairness and the continuity for our farmers. Mr. Speaker, allow me to provide an economic perspective for those who, on the other side of the House, who frequently criticize the FSC for not generating profit. In Dromasi sector alone, there were 88 growers who rely entirely on rail for the transportation of the cane. And each produces an average of 34 tons on the farm. To transport this cane from Dromasi to Rarawai mill, it cost FSC approximately $85 a ton. Mr. Speaker, this is the reality of the industry where we are managing. Nowhere in commercial viability must be balanced with our responsibility to ensure that every grower, regardless of the location or volume, is able to deliver the cane. Mr. Speaker, there is also have been a considerable public discussion about using rail network during off-season to transport goods, even passengers for that matter. However, comprehensive FAO study on the sugar industry undertaken last year, it was made abundantly clear that the current rail track design is not suitable, nor is it safe for any such use. The system was engineered solely for cane transport, and repurposing its without a major redesign would pose a significant safety risk. Mr. Speaker, so we are also exploring the establishment of the cane reception transfer point for growers who are located far from the mill. For example, those in Singatoka, this would be a dedicated facility for those growers who can offload their cane quickly and return to their fields without long transport delays. The cane would then be consolidated and transferred to the mill using mass transport vehicles. Mr. Speaker, we have seen the system operating very efficiently in the French Reunion, where it has significantly improved logistics and reduced transportation costs for the farmers. However, for such facilities to be viable in Fiji, Mr. Speaker, the growers in the designated areas will need to increase the production so that the volume of cane justifies the operation and transfer point. Mr. Speaker, the FSC is modernizing transport logistics through technology, whereby cane monitoring system. This year, FSC introduced a real-time cane monitoring system that tracks field balance, that is, the cane already harvested but awaiting transport. This is helping to reduce deterioration, improve turnaround time, and ensure that cane reaches the mill while still fresh. Furthermore, Mr. Speaker, FSC is embarking on a pilot GIS project integrating satellite imaging and geospatial analytics. This will enable accurate crop and yield prediction, better harvest planning, improved logistic management, and real-time monitoring of burnt canes, harvesting progress, field balance, and transport delays. These digital tools will strengthen planning, improve efficiency, and help growers to deliver cane to the mill at the optimal quality. Mr. Speaker, the cumulative effect of these long-term measures is clear. Cane access infrastructure has to be strengthened. Growers have to have a better access to improved roads and crossing and culverts. Rail support continues for the growers who require it. Technology is now being integrated to modernize and harvest and transport coordination. Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, the government and the FSC remains firmly committed for implementing solutions that ensure cane is transported efficiently, safely, and on time to our mills. So through this continued infrastructure upgrades and adoption of modern technology-driven system, we are laying the foundation for a more reliable, a resilient logistic framework. One that will support and better for growers and strengthen the sugar industry for many years to come. Thank you, sir.